covetous, full of malice and of deceitful plan, that truly the Father in the Son or man, in either of the two can trust or trustfulness. So I stand so full of thought and pensiveness, that scarcely can I speak any good of it at all, unless I would lie and let falsehood fall. So I wish another world might be no less. So envious are the orders, and so full of gall, puffed with pride and with ill will's desire, that for certain they know more of liars fire than robbers or wicked thieves, whatever befall. And if they speak with you of a thing and call you to tell no one what they require, you will not be able to avoid the mire more than if you were both brothers answering the call. For money you will find pardon at the stall. If you have done ill, then they will grant it entire, and you sure as they will bury his men aspire for wealth, so covetous are they all. But the poor man suffering in his thrall never at any time shall be for burying or hire, nor visiting nor welcoming by fire, unless he were a man of power in the hall. And with this they built their houses tall, and fair gardens in the shade to sit or lie. But neither the Turks nor the Persians by their sermons will believe in God at all when they preach, for they are fearful, great and small, of crossing the sea as of death and sigh, and love more to build on this side by and by than over there to conquer the wicked in their fall. Woo! In such an order I would not give 2 buttons small, nor the price of a glove, for they do nothing all the year but ask for money, with which they buy fine cheer. Good fish, white bread, and fine wines for the feast's call, and they want to dress warmly lest the cold appall, so the chill cannot invade them nor come near. Would it please God I were of their order here? If only it were for my salvation, I recall. But so few I see attain to heaven's sphere, that this may